Kinball is a team sport created in Quebec, Canada in 1986 by Mario Demers, a physical education professor, in which the main distinctive characteristics of the big size of the ball and that the matches are played among 3 teams at the same time, instead of traditional 1 versus 1 like the most of the team games. The International Kinball Federation counts 3.8 million participants, primarily from Canada, the U.S., Japan, Belgium, France, Switzerland, Spain, Germany, Denmark, the Czech Republic, and Malaysia and Marsh sports. Co-founder Steve Grace is making major inroads into the South Liverpool area and is considering starting a GB team in the near future. Games have 3 periods lasting between 7 and 15 minutes each, depending on the age level of the participants, with a 1-minute intermission between each period. At the beginning of each period, the ball is put into play from the center of the gym by the team with the fewest points. The team with the most points at the end of the 3 periods wins the game. Teams are composed of 4 players, all of which wear a jersey or pinny of a different color, with gray, pink and black being the official colors internationally, except in Quebec where blue replaced pink in 2004. Each team has 4 players. When the game starts, the player at the center throws the ball up while yelling the word Omnicon and the corresponding color of a team. The named team must catch the ball before it touches the floor. The catching team must have 3 players holding the ball from below, each player with one leg bent and with both hands on the ball. The remaining player may stand, then hit the ball with his or her hands while clearly yelling Omnicon and the color of another team, which will then run and catch the ball. If the named team does not prevent the ball from hitting the floor, the other 2 teams are each awarded 1 point. The ball then goes to the team which failed to score. If a player mistakenly yells the color of his or her own team when hitting the ball, the other teams are awarded points and play restarts. A player can commit a series of fouls during the match. Yelling the color of his or her own team when hitting the ball. Yelling the color simultaneously with hitting the ball. Allowing the ball to touch the walls of the room without the named team touching it. Hitting the ball in a downwards direction. The offensive team takes longer than 5 seconds to hit the ball once there are 3 contacts. A player hits twice in a row. The ball is hit less than 6 feet in distance. Hitting the ball when there are less than 3 contacts on the ball. Intentionally blocking a player who is on a different team. International competitions. Kinball Sport World Cup.